Welcome to On Time Dumpster Rental, your trusted partner for dependable dumpster rental in Jenison, Michigan. Whether tackling a home renovation, cleaning out a rental property, or managing a large commercial construction project, we have the perfect solution to meet your waste management needs. Our heavy-duty roll-off containers are capable of handling all types of waste. From residential cleanouts to major construction debris, we ensure your site stays clean and safe without the hassle of multiple trips to the landfill. At On Time Dumpster Rental, we believe in transparent pricing with no hidden fees. What you see is what you get. We pride ourselves on providing exceptional customer service and maintaining a clean, safe environment. Hear from satisfied customers who rely on us for timely deliveries and pickups, making their projects smoother and more efficient. Don't wait. Visit us at www.ontimedumpstergr.com, Dumpster Rental Jenison MI, to learn more about our services and make your booking. You can also call us at 616-460-9554. Our friendly team will help you choose the right dumpster size for your project. On Time Dumpster Rental, your project, our priority. Let us take the stress out of your waste management needs. Book now.